This conference will now be recorded.
So in the last lecture, see, this hydrograph is very important. Hydrograph means whatever, uh, for example, this is my catchment, right? And rainfall occurs here. Suppose the rainfall occurred over the catchment here. So what happens after rainfall? Water will come by the river at the outlet, and suppose this rainfall is occurred for say 4 hours, continuously 4 hour rainfall occurred, and within this 4 hour, I say that this rainfall is occurred 4 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall occurred right here. 1 centimeter rainfall. Suppose at time zero, this discharge means Q is collected zero. Then after time say 4 hour, this is collected something like this. Just I want to show you. If you will see this, not here. Okay. Just I take this example only, right? See, what is this doing actually? What first you try to understand discharge. This hydrograph means what? When the rainfall occurred, suppose this rainfall is occurred over the catchment, right? This rainfall occurred over the catchment. It will be collected at some point, and this time is after every 4 hours. For example, 0 times, then after 4 hours, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and 44th hour it is collected. And this discharge zero at 0 time it was say 0, right? Then at say after 4 hour, again this Q is collected say 20 meter cube per second. So hydrograph means what? Hydrograph means what? When rainfall occurred in over a catchment, suppose this is my catchment, the rainfall occurred here, right? And when rainfall occurred, so after that rainfall, this will come at outlet, and we will measure this discharge at in meter cube per second, right? So this data is collected, and this is we draw over the graph. We draw over the graph. For example, this time is 0, then 4 hour, then 8 hour, then 12 hour, then 16 hour, right? And this is say the value of Q, that is in meter cube per second. Like at zero time it is 0. So at after 4 hours, say this is 20. So I say this is say 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, likewise. So at 4 it was say 20. So here I will draw just point. Then after 8 hours, say it is 80 somewhere here. So when we will join this, we get a graph. This graph is called as hydrograph, right? So here this data is given, like for every 4 hour, after every 4 hour, right? This much discharge is collected. Here they are saying that, and what they say that find out the 12-hour unit hydrograph. They remember that. Once see, this is very important concept, and we must know about this. So this data means what? This data means over the catchment, over the catchment, over the catchment. This is my catchment. At this point, after every 4 hours, suppose 0, then 4, 8 hour, 12 hour, how much quantity of water is flowing through this q is we collect and we draw the graph. Now this is because of because of 1 centimeter rainfall, because of 1 centimeter rainfall. See, first of all, you should understand this meaning. Given the ordinates of 4-hour unit hydrograph means what? 4-hour unit hydrograph means what? This is a hydrograph, means this is just a graph like this. If we will draw these ordinates over x and y axis, we will get this graph. This is x, this is y, and this is q, and this is time, right? Now if it is said that this is a 4-hour unit hydrograph means what? Means 4 hour continuously over the catchment here over the catchment 1 centimeter rainfall occurred, right? 1 centimeter rainfall, 1 centimeter rainfall is occurred over the catchment, and this 1 centimeter rainfall occurred for 4 hours. So once after 4 hours, this is stopped and the discharge is collected at the outlet of the catchment, and this we are drawing here somewhere like this. This is the point we will get, and when we will join this point, when we will join this point, we will get this graph, right? Now this graph is because of 1 centimeter and 4 hour, right? So that's why we say that this is what? This is 4-hour unit hydrograph. Is it okay? This meaning is clear? This meaning is clear to you, all of you? This meaning is clear? This hydrograph means this graph is hydrograph. Whatever we have drawn, if we will draw it on the graph. So that's why we will get this graph, right? Now see, this is for 1 centimeter rainfall and 4 hour continuously. Now in question, what he is saying that derive the ordinates derive the ordinates of a 12-hour unit hydrograph. Means if for this is C, this is the hydrograph for 4 hour. He is asking derive the ordinates for 12-hour unit hydrograph. 12-hour and unit hydrograph means what he is saying, continuously 12-hour. If rainfall will occur continuously 12 hour, then how the graph will be this, how this graph will be this, and then how you will find. So you know that for 4-hour unit hydrograph, you can draw the graph like this, and you have the values for 4 hours. Say for 4-hour unit hydrograph, the discharge value is this 0, 20, 130, 150, 130, 90, likewise, right? You have these values, but you have to draw for the you have to draw for the 12-hour unit hydrograph. See, my meaning is clear to you? This question is clear to you, what he is asking? Question is clear what he is asking? See, why I am repeating this problem again, because I know that it is little complicated and you must understand this. That's why I am repeating it again. See, based on these ordinates, if we will draw it, the graph on x and y axis, right? This is x axis, this is y axis. See, definitely this graph will something like this, and this is what? This is 4 hour. This is 4 hours. 4 hour means, see, on we have discussed this here on this axis. We denote it the time, right? Time is d-hour. D-hour means this is 4 hour, right? And this is what? This shows the excess rainfall, means for how much quantity of rainfall occurred, or how much depth of rainfall occurred. So this is because of 1 centimeter. Now we want to derive for 12-hour unit hydrograph. So what we have to do, see, if again, see, this is my 4 hour, right? If again I will draw the same graph, if I will again draw the same graph, but just after 4 hour. Suppose this is 0, this is 4 hour, this is 8 hour, this is 12 hour, and likewise this is 16 hour. Likewise, see again if I will draw the same graph, so after 4 hours, so it will be like this, right? It means, see, this graph is again for 4 hour, right? This graph is again for 4 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall. Is it okay? My point is clear. Now again, if I will draw the same graph after, say, lag by 8 hours, means it will start after 8 hours somewhere here. See why I'm taking this graph, because at the same point I cannot take, because it will be, see, it will overlap exactly each other. If see, this is 4 hour and 1 centimeter. Now again at same point again I will draw some another graph over this, like here. Again it will be 4 hour and 1 centimeter, right? But you know that they will exactly coincide and they will not appear. Suppose I will take another graph and I will draw from same point. So here actually there are the three graphs, three graphs, and they are exactly each over each other, right? They are coinciding each other. They are not appearing. That's why what we are doing, we are leaving, we are starting after 4 hours. This we say that lag by, lag by 4 hour, means after 4 hours, again the same graph if we will draw, it will look like this, right? And again after 8 hour, if I will draw the graph will be, shape will be same, but after 4 hour, and after 4 hour it is starting, right? Now see, this graph is for 4 hour and 1 centimeter, because of 1 centimeter rainfall, and this graph is also for 4 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall, and the last graph, this graph is also because of 1 centimeter rainfall and 4 hour. It means this 4 hour, this 4 hour, this 4 hour, and this 4 hour means how much is it? It is 12 hour and 12 hour, right? Hydrograph is of 12 hour, but rainfall is 3 centimeter. Is it okay? My point is clear to you? My point is clear to you, what I am saying? In the question, he is asking that draw the hydrograph. He is asking that on X and Y axis. He is asking that on X and Y axis, on X and Y axis, on X and Y axis, you draw the graph for 12 hours, but that should be only for 1 centimeter rainfall. And here we have started see, we have drawn one graph. We have drawn one graph that is of 4 hour and 1 centimeter, because of 1 centimeter rainfall. So here this is given. This is 4 hour and 1 centimeter. Again, if we will draw the graph after 4 hour, it will look same like this, right? So again, it will be of 4 hour and because of 1 centimeter rainfall. And again, if I will draw, see, this is 0, this is 4, this is 8. Again, if I will draw the graph of 4 hour, it will look like this. But I want 12-hour graph. So this is a 4 hour, this is also a 4 hour, and this is also a 4 hour. If I will add all, I will add the ordinate of this graph, ordinate of this graph, and ordinate of this graph. When I will add the ordinate of all these three graphs, I will get the 12-hour hydrograph. But this hydrograph will be because of 3 centimeter rainfall, right? This is 1 centimeter because of 1 centimeter rainfall. This is because of 1 centimeter rainfall, and this is also because of 1 centimeter rainfall. So if I will join and I will make the graph, so how I will see this much portion and again this much portion and again this much portion if I will add, so you know that I will get the graph like this. Here it will come here and again it will come here like this. So this graph will be what? This graph will be 12-hour hydrograph, but because of 3 centimeter rainfall. But if the ordinates of this 12-hour will be divided by 3 centimeter, so this will become the unit hydrograph for 12-hour, right? For 12-hour. Is it okay? My point is clear or not clear? Please tell me. So it is clear to for all, or this it is clear for only Mira, Mahra, Nadia, Salim, Zaid, Nadia. This is clear or not clear? Yes or no? Is it clear or not clear? Salim, Salim, is it clear?
السلام عليكم دكتور.
Walaikum salam. Is it clear?
دكتور, but I have some confused in some point.
Yes,
دكتور, after 4 hour, okay,
yes.
should be start by 0.0
See.
in point 0
Yes, yes, yes.
when I want to go to draw graph, okay, doctor.
Yes,
First graph, okay, should be start by 4 hour, okay. After that,
yes.
second graph should be after 4 hours. So that means will first point will start in four time, like this, doctor.
No, no, no. I could not get your point. Please, once again.
Okay, doctor, say when I want to draw first graph, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, that means will directly will take the data from the table and start first one, first
Yes,
graph.
the first graph,
Se-
first graph. Yes, correct.
Uh, after 4 hour, okay.
Yes. Ah,
Also start from 4 hour
yes,
and start to draw like this, صح دكتور؟
yes, 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 yes. Same graph. We will draw.
Okay,
See,
okay,
what
doctor.
is the point? Yes, yes. You complete. Please complete.
Okay, for example, doctor, okay. Uh, when when I want to go to solve assignment, for example, we have some
Yes.
question in example after 3 hour like this. Question number 2, doctor.
In
Same this
assignment.
question.
In
Assignment.
assignment. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I will discuss everything. Okay. See here. First, you try to understand this, because I
This
know
is
this
okay.
is little difficult. This is difficult. I know it is. See,
Uh,
this is okay for you.
okay,
See here. This is suppose your area or Burami, right?
okay, doctor.
What happened? Here rainfall occurred. This rainfall occurred means this rainfall is 1 centimeter. Means when you will measure the rainfall in your jar or in your rain gauge, this will show that the total depth of rainfall is 1 centimeter, right? Or it may be say 1 inch or it may be 1 mm. So because of this 1 centimeter or 1 inch or 1 mm, what will happen? Here this rainfall occurred here over the catchment, right? Now water will come here and it will flow in the river, and we will collect this water. Collect means this water will come at this point, at this outlet, and a person will be here who will measure the value of q. See, when the time was zero, the q will be zero, right?
Yes,
See,
doctor.
See, water is coming here, here. It is not reached here. Means when the time is 0, water is no water is here. So that's why Q is 0. Is it okay? Now, the same thing we see here. When the time was 0, the 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 discharge, or we can say ordinate, is 0. Now see, after 4 hour, this water collected or measured here, it was say 20 meter cube per second. Is it okay?
Yes, doctor.
Now, similarly, now regularly after every 4 hour, a person is there, or you can say automatically after every 4 hour, this discharge value is noted down, right? Like 80, 130, 150, 90, 52, and then see why this is reducing. Reducing means what happened? What happened here? See, after rainfall, this rainfall, 1 centimeter rainfall occurred only for 4 hours, right? After exactly 4 hours, what will happen? This rainfall is stopped. Stopped means whatever the water was coming here, now, after no rainfall is there means water will not come here. Whatever the remaining water is here, that will come at the outlet, and a time will come when, if there is no rainfall, see, after 44 hour or at the 44th hour, whatever the water, this discharge is noted down is 0. Because why it is 0? Because the rainfall has stopped. Is it okay? My point
Yes,
is
yes.
clear. See,
Yes,
rainfall
doctor.
is
Now clear.
rainfall is occurred only for 4 hours. But after 4 hours, this discharge will be collected for more than 4 hours, because see, rainfall is collected. This is say my catchment, right? Rainfall is started. This rainfall is started, and it is after 4 hours. This rainfall is stopped, right? But whatever the rain, whatever the water come through this rainfall, this will come slowly. This will come, and here it will be collected, and this may be collected, say for maybe for 24 hours, maybe for next 48 hours, because this distance may be say 500-kilometer distance, right? This distance may be say 200 kilometer. See, even the rainfall has stopped, but whatever the water is traveling here, it is continuously coming here, right? And after maybe 48 hour or means after 2 days, whatever the discharge was here, it will become 0, because rainfall has stopped. That's why you will see that it was 0, 20, 80, 130, 150. See, it reached up to 150, and then it is reducing. Means what? Rainfall has stopped. That's why the value is reducing. Is it okay? This concept is clear here. This is clear to you?
Yes, doctor.
Now, what I want to tell you that when we will draw this, when we will draw the ordinate over the graph, when we will draw this ordinate over the graph, then we will get the hydrograph, right? This is called as the hydrograph. When we will draw this graph over the, see, when we will draw this ordinate over the graph, then we will get the hydrograph. Suppose this is, say, this is 0, sorry, this is 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, likewise, right? And here, see how we are taking this. Just we are taking the maximum is 150, and it is starting from 0. So I assume that this is say 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120, likewise. So at 0 hour, this is 0. At 4th hour, this is 20. So here I will draw one point here. And at after 8 hour, this is how much? This is 80. 80 means somewhere here, right? And after 12 hour, it is say 130. 130 means somewhere here, right? After 12 hour. So likewise, when we will draw, when we will join this point, so like we will get similarly See, after 20th hour, it is 1:30 again, right? So here somewhere it will be like this. Just it may be something wrong, but you try to understand this, what I'm saying. I will get the graph like this. Say after 16th hour, it is coming here 150 somewhere, suppose. Then after 120 here 130 somewhere here. Then after 24 hour, what is the value of Q? This is 90. 90 means somewhere here, right? So when I will join this, I will I will get the graph. Is it okay? This graph is what? This graph is because of whatever the ordinate is given. So this ordinate is given means this ordinate is of 4 hour and rainfall is 1 centimeter. Is it okay? So I will say that this graph is 4 hour unit hydrograph. I will say that this is 4 hour unit hydrograph. Is this clear? This graph which I got it, this is 4 hour unit hydrograph. The unit hydrograph means what? Because of 1 centimeter rainfall. Here it is already mentioned 4 hour unit hydrograph. Unit means what? 1. So this may be 1 centimeter, this may be 1 inch, this may be 1 mm. Is it okay? Just I am considering this is say 1 centimeter. I am just considering. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Now, your point is that, see, now concentrate here, what I am going to say. Now, see, once we made this graph, so here, just I will tell you, uh, so here, okay, just wait. So this is my, actually, this is my graph, which I drawn here, right? Is it, this is my 4 hour unit hydrograph. Is it okay now? Now, in the question, he has asked, derive the 12-hour unit hydrograph. 12-hour unit hydrograph means, see, it is just like, see, one apple is of, say, one apple is of, say, 4 rupees, or one apple is of 4 rupees. So 3 apple will be how much? 3 apple will be how much? 3 multiplied by 4 is how much? 12, right? Now just you same thing is here. The same thing is here. Same thing is here. This hydrograph is of because of 4 hour and 1 unit rainfall. So that's why we represent here one box. This box is shows this horizontal line. This horizontal line of the box, this is my box, right? So this box and this horizontal portion shows the duration of rainfall, and this vertical portion or vertical dimension of this box shows the rainfall depth. So this is 1 centimeter. So this graph is the result of 1 centimeter or maybe 1 inch or maybe 1 mm. Just I can say 1 unit. So this graph is of unit rainfall for 4 hours. Is it okay? Now again I want the 12-hour and unit hydrograph, right? So what I will do, I will start, see, if I will start from same point, so I will not be able to see this another graph. That's why what we are doing, we will leave the this 0 to 4 hour and we will start with same ordinate, then we will get the same graph, right? And again after 8 hour, again I will start and I will get the same graph. So this graph is what? This graph is already, we know that because of 4 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall, right? And this graph is what? This graph is again 4 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall. And this graph is also because of 1 centimeter rainfall and 4 hour hydrograph, right? So what we are doing here, when we will add these 1, 2, 3, so what will happen? This will become the 4 hour hydrograph, 4 hour hydrograph. But this this will become 12-hour hydrograph, but because of 3 centimeter rainfall. Why 3 centimeter rainfall? This is 1 centimeter rainfall, this is 1 centimeter rainfall, and this is 1 centimeter rainfall. But he is asking the unit hydrograph of 12-hour. He is asking the unit hydrograph. He is asking the unit hydrograph of 12-hour. And we know that whatever we have added here, if we will divide it by 3, then we will get what? We will get this 3 will be cancelled and it will become 1. So the rainfall will become the unit and the ordinate will be also we will get for the 12-hour. Is this okay? Is this okay? If we will see here, if we will see here in the column, now it will be more clear. Now first you tell me, is this clear to you or not clear?
Yes, clear, doctor.
No, if it is not clear, I will tell you again and again, no problem. Once it should be, once it's not clear. See, that's why when you will see here, when you will see here, this ordinate which is given is first, see, 0, 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour. First column is our time, right? Now next column, whatever the ordinate, this two data is given for us, right? This two data is given for us. Now what we are doing here, this is lagged by 4 hour means what? The same ordinate means a person, whatever the discharge is we are collecting here, right? The same discharge is collected after 4 hours. So that's why we are starting from 4. Is it okay what I'm saying? Is it okay what I'm saying? See, the same ordinate is 0, 20, 80, 130, 150, 130, 90, 52, 27, 15, 5, and 0. This is collected at 0 time, then this is 0. After 4 hours, this is 20. Now, the same ordinate is starting from 4. Why this is 4? We are considering that this discharge here, we are collecting late 4 hours. The same ordinate, but after 4 hours. So that's why this is said that lagged by 4 hours. The meaning of lagged by 4 hours means, if this is our graph, right? This graph we have already drawn, right? This is 0, this is 4, and this is say 8, like this is 12. Now the same graph we are starting from here, 4 hours. So that's why, see, this one we have left. Why we have left? Because this is lagged by, see, again, if I will draw the same graph over the first graph, the second graph will be disappear, or the first graph and second graph we will not be able to differentiate it. Is it okay what I'm saying? That's why this is lagged by, just we have left this first one and we are starting from fourth hour, and the same ordinate we will put here. Now after that, again, if we will lag it by 8 hour, means we will start from 8 hour, and whatever the this ordinate is, just we will draw with same. So here, this is what, this is lagged by 8 hours means we are starting the same graph after 8 hour. Lagged by 4 hour means we are starting the same graph, we are drawing the same graph after 4 hour. This is the meaning by lagged by 4 hours, lagged by 8 hours. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes, student, is it okay? Lagged by means we are drawing the same graph, but after 4 hours. We are drawing the same graph, but after 8 hours. Now, if we will add this what I told you, if we will add all this second column, this is what? This is of 4-hour unit hydrograph. This is again this is again the same ordinate of 4-hour and unit hydrograph ordinate. This is again what? This is what? This is the same ordinate. This one. This same ordinate is here. This same ordinate is here. Right? So again, this is 4-hour ordinate. This is 4-hour ordinate, and this one is also 4-hour ordinate. If I will add all these three, this is 4-hour ordinate, this is also my 4-hour ordinate, and this is also my 4-hour ordinate. If I will add these three, so it will become what? It will become 12-hour ordinate, but it will become of 3 centimeter rainfall. See, this is because of 1 centimeter rainfall, this is because of 1 centimeter rainfall, and this is also because of 1 centimeter rainfall. And when we are adding these two, 4 plus 4 plus 4, so it is becoming 4 hours. Similarly, this is 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, but this ordinate is 4 12-hour ordinate, but because of 3 centimeter rainfall. If I will divide this whole ordinate by 3, if I will divide it by 3, then what will happen? This will become the 12-hour ordinate, but 1 centimeter rainfall. Is it okay or not okay? Is it clear or not clear? Salim?
Yes, yes, Doctor. Clear, Doctor.
To all of you, Mira, Mahra, Zaid. Now, for example, if I'll tell you, you people, if I will tell you, now, see, once, once I got this, now I will draw this graph on the graph. For example, when I will draw the graph, and suppose this is not here, this one. Now see here, if I will take now, just wait. See, now again, what I will do here, see, on x-axis, I have a time, right? On y-axis, I have a q value. See here, after this is 0, then 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, 20, likewise. And here on y-axis, this is q value. Q value means this value. This value is q value. 0, 6.7, 3.3, 76. And this 0 is for 0 hour. This for 4 hour, this is 6.7. So here just I will take it as a, say, 3, 6, 9, 12. Likewise, it will go up to see 150 or 130 for 140. How much is 136.7 is the highest. Now, when I will draw this, I will get some point like this, right? And when I will join, I will get this graph. So this graph will be what? This graph will be of 12 hour, but it will be of 1 centimeter. Because why? I also got the graph, but that graph will be what? That graph will be something different. This graph will be represent this one. If I will divide the ordinate, this ordinate by 3, I will get the unit hydrograph for 12 hours. Is this okay or not okay? I hope this is
Yes,
clear.
doctor. Clear,
Yeah.
alhamdulillah.
Now your doubt is we have the assignment question. I think this is our assignment question, right? This is our assignment question. Just
No, doctor, not this one. Let me check.
I will check also.
Okay, this one, yes. First question, okay, doctor.
Yeah, see here. This is what given the, so now given below the ordinates of 6-hour unit hydrogram for the catchment, calculate the ordinate of the direct runoff hydrograph due to rainfall excess of 3.5 centimeter occurring in 6 hour. Also draw the hydrograph. So here, see, I will show you the solution so that it will be more clear to you. See, my intention is it should be clear to you. That's it. See here. So first of all, what we will do, we will draw, we will take like this. These ordinates means 0, 3, 6, 9 hour, right? Now the same thing I will, what I will do, I will take here like 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, likewise, right? Now, what also the ordinates are given 0, 25, 50, 85, 125, 160, 185, likewise. Now, what is saying, calculate the ordinance of direct runoff hydrograph. He is not asking firstly, he is not asking the unit hydrograph. He is asking the direct runoff hydrograph. Direct runoff hydrograph means it may be of 1 centimeter rainfall, it may be of 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Now, what he is saying, due to the excess rainfall excess of 3.5 centimeter means what? This is actually uh, I will take this whole question here. See, you should understand the difference between the hydrograph and direct hydrograph and flood hydrograph, because it is very important. See here, when we are drawing here, see, this hydrograph, see what happened here. Sorry. Suppose there is a catchment here, right? And here they have given, the this data. See, after at time 0, the discharge collected is 0. This one, this 0. When after 3 hours, the discharge was collected was 25. The same thing, this one. Then after 6 hours, discharge is collected 50. Then after 9 hours, the discharge is collected 85 meter cube per second. Then after 12 hours, 15, 18, 24. So here you will observe that the time will be taken on x-axis, right? So here this is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, then 15, then 18, then here it is given as 24, not 21. Then after, so this is something 30. This is 30. Now, if you will take on y-axis the discharge which they collected, means this Q is what? Meter cube per second. At 0 time, it is 0. Then after say 3 hours, just I will see what is the value maximum is 160. So here I can take accordingly my means as per my convenience. I say this is say suppose 30, 30 then 60, or I take 20, not 30, 20 then 40 then 60, then 80 then 100, then 120, then 130, 140 likewise, right? When I will draw the graph, for example, for 3 it is how much? This is 25, somewhere here. Then likewise I will draw the graph somewhere here. I am not going into that detail. Now up to here it is clear to you, to all of you it is clear. Up to here it is clear.
Yes, doctor.
To all of you, is it clear to all of you? Not only for Salim and other Mira, but it should be clear for all. Now, what he is saying that after that, what he is saying? Calculate the ordinates of direct runoff hydrograph due to rainfall excess of 3.5 centimeter occurring in 6 hours. Means when the rainfall will be occur for 3.5 centimeter, and this should be for 6 hours, then how this graph will be, how this graph will look. So they have given this graph, and this graph is here. See what they are asking. Calculate the ordinates of direct runoff hydrograph due to rainfall excess of 3.5 centimeter. Means what? Well, this ordinate is of 3 hour. See this ordinate. The problem is, yes, obviously, sorry. Just see here. This graph which we have drawn here, this graph which we have drawn here is, this graph is 6 hour and unit hydrograph. 6 hour and unit hydrograph. Is it okay? Because it is given in the question. 6 hour unit hydrograph ordinate is given. This ordinate is what? I will take this. See, this ordinate is what? Whatever the graph we have drawn here, we drawn this graph, right? This graph is because of 6 hour continuously rainfall occurred, and the depth of rainfall was 1 centimeter. That's it. It is the meaning. 6 hour unit hydrograph means what? This is actually 6 hour continuously rainfall occurred. So here if I will draw this box, so I will show that this is 6 hour, and here what we show, this show that how much rainfall was there. So 1 centimeter rainfall occurred for 6 hours, and when it is collected at this outlet, after every 3 hours interval. So these were the ordinates. These were the ordinates, and we draw here, over here, right? We draw here, and we draw this graph. So this graph is what? This graph is 6 hour unit hydrograph. First, it is clear. Just tell me. Up to here, it is clear what I told you. Up to here, it is clear. Salim, is it clear?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Now what they are asking, you remember what they are asking? They are asking, draw the hydrograph for, this is our graph. This graph is 6-hour unit hydrograph, and if I will show this box, this is 6 hour, and because of 1 centimeter or 1 inch rainfall or 1 mm rainfall maybe. Now they are asking, draw the hydrograph for 3.5 centimeter rainfall and for 6-hour duration. 6-hour duration means, see, already we have the 6-hour duration unit hydrograph. So if we will multiply the these ordinates, whatever the ordinates here is given, if we will multiply these ordinate by 3.5 centimeter rainfall, so we will get the ordinates for the 3.5 centimeter rainfall depth. Is it okay what I'm saying? If we will multiply these ordinates, by 3.5 centimeter, it means what? It means that whatever the ordinates we will get, that will be not, see, this is the ordinates of 6-hour unit hydrograph. If we will multiply this ordinate by 3.5, these ordinate means this 3 into 0, 3 into 25, 3 into 50, 3 into 85, we will get the ordinate of 3.5 centimeter rainfall. And the same thing he is asking, calculate the ordinate of direct runoff hydrograph due to rainfall of excess rainfall, we can say, of 3.5 centimeter and 6 hour. And also draw the graph. We have to draw the graph then after getting the ordinates. Is it okay? My point is clear to you or not clear?
Okay, doctor.
See, it is as simple as like, what I should say. I hope this is clear. My question, your doubt is clear. So simply what you will do, you will draw the, like, you will make the table, right? You will make the table like this, and here what you will do, first you will write the time here, right? Then you will write the ordinates, unit hour ordinate. This is 0, 25, 50, 85 up to, you will write it up to 0, right? This last one is 8 and 0, and the time is 0, then 3 hours, then 6, then 9. Likewise, it will be up to 69, right? Now, what you will do, you have the ordinates, and these ordinates will become 1 centimeter. When you will multiply the ordinate by 3.5, this is, I say, this is column 2. When I will multiply this column 2 by 3.5 centimeter, you will get 0 here, you will get 75 here, 3 multiplied by 150, you will get 150. Likewise, you will get some ordinate. When you will draw this ordinate over x and y axis, so this is x and this is y axis, this is, now see the time interval, what you will take, time interval will be your 0, 3, 6, 9, likewise 12, likewise whatever it is. Here you decide your q value, how much you will go in the graph, which one is highest value, and based on that you decide it. Suppose say 20, 40, then 60, then 80. Now you draw the graph. What is the ordinate? 0. At 0 time it is 0. Then at after 3 hours it is 75. So here somewhere here it will come 75. Like then 150 will come somewhere. Likewise, you will get some points, right? And you will join this line, join this point, you will get a graph, and this graph will be what? This graph will be 6-hour hydrograph, direct runoff hydrograph, and for direct runoff hydrograph, and for 3.5 centimeter rainfall depth, rainfall, rainfall depth. Is it okay or not okay? Now,
Okay, doctor.
again, now the second question is, what is the second question? See here. If you will compare this graph, see this graph is because of, see this graph is why small one, this ordinate is a small one because of this is 1 centimeter rainfall, and this graph is because of 3.5 centimeter rainfall, right? Now, second question is your, the ordinate of 3-hour unit hydrograph are given below for the basin. Find the ordinates of 6-hour unit hydrograph. Now, I will just copy this question, right? See what he is saying. See, on y-axis, I will take the value of Q in meter cube per second. On x-axis, I will take the value of time, right? Now here, the interval is given 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 likewise. So here 0, then 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, then 24 likewise, right? Now, the ordinates of 3-hour unit hydrograph are given for a basin. So here, when I will draw, suppose this is my, I take it as a say 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, 18, then 21, likewise. So at 0, the time at time 0, the discharge which is collected, suppose this is the catchment, and here the discharge value, Q value, is noted down after every 3-hour interval, right? Now, and this ordinate is because of, see here, 3-hour unit hydrograph. 3-hour unit hydrograph means what? This is, this hydrograph is because of 1 centimeter rainfall depth, and that may be 1 inch rainfall depth, that may be because of 1 mm rainfall. Is it okay? My point is clear. My point is clear. The rainfall which is occurred is only unit rainfall. That unit may be that may be of 1 centimeter rainfall, that may be 1 inch rainfall, that may be 1 mm rainfall, that may be anything. A unit may be anything, but it is 100% clear that the rainfall is unit, right? Now, if I will draw the graph of this, so what I will get? See, at 0 time it is 0. Then after say 3 hour, the ordinate is somewhere 8. So after 3 hour, this is somewhere here, right? Then after 6 hour, this is 25. Means somewhere it will come here, right? 21, then 24, then 25. Likewise, somewhere here. After 6 hour, it is coming here. Then after 9 hour, this is 20. Means somewhere here. After 9 hour, it is somewhere here. Then after 12 hour, it is coming as a 16. 16 means somewhere here. Then after 15 hour, it is 9. 9 means somewhere here. Likewise, when I will join this graph, when I will join this graph, I will say, so maybe like this, right? So this graph is what? This graph is 3-hour unit hydrograph. Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Now see here, what he is asking, find the 6-hour unit hydrograph. Means if again after by lagging 3 hours, means the same graph if I will draw after 3 hour, if I will draw the same graph, again I will find like this, right? Again I will find like this. So this is of what? This is of 3-hour unit hydro. This is of because of, see, this is 3 hour and because of 1 centimeter rainfall, and this is also because of this is also 3-hour unit hydrograph, and again because of 1 centimeter rainfall, right? When I will join, when I will add the ordinates, these ordinate 2 times, right? The same thing you will see here when we will add these 2 ordinate at the same time. Now see here, this is unit, now lag by 3 hours. If you will see here, see, these are the ordinates, and this ordinate is again starting from 3, right? So here, so this is because of 3-hour unit hydrograph, and this is also because 3-hour unit hydrograph. When I will add these two, so what I will get, 0 plus dash, it is 0, then 10 plus 0, 10, right? Then 25 plus 10, 35, then 20 plus 25, 45. Then likewise, when I will add, I will get this ordinate. But this ordinate is because of what? 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter because of 1 centimeter, and this is also because of 1 centimeter. Means this ordinate is because of 2 centimeter rainfall. But when I will divide these ordinates by 2, when I will divide these ordinates by 2, I will get the ordinate of 6-hour and 1 centimeter rainfall. So if I will divide it by 2, 2 means what? 2 centimeter. This is 10 divided by 2, 35 divided by 2, 45 divided by 2, 36 divided by 2, 28 divided by 2, 21 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. So I will get this ordinate, and I will draw on x and y axis of these ordinates. So again I will draw the graph, and this graph will be what? This graph will be 6-hour unit hydrograph. Why unit hydrograph? Because of 1 centimeter rainfall. Is it okay? Is it okay? Just what happened here? Hmm. My voice is clear. What happened here?
Yes, doctor, your voice okay, but screen is closed.
What happened? I'm just
Press camera, doctor.
yes. Now it is clear.
Yes.
Now see here. Hmm. So after that, you will get this ordinate, and you have to draw here on x and y axis, right? Now similarly, if you will see, the ordinates of 8-hour unit hydrograph are given in this below. Now what he is saying, asking in the question assignment, these are the ordinates given, and derive the ordinates for a 24-hour unit hydrograph, I think, right? Is it okay? Question number 3. This is said that this is the ordinate of 8-hour unit hydrograph, and find the 24-hour unit hydrograph. So here, how you will find? See here, for example, what I'm saying, some ordinates are given to you for 8-hour unit hydrograph. So 8-hour unit hydrograph and time interval is given 0, 4, 8, 12, 16 likewise, right? So here again 0, 4, 8, 12, then 16 likewise, 20, then 24, 28, likewise you will go up to the last ordinate. And here on y-axis the value of q is given to all of you. When you will draw the graph, see, when you will draw the graph, this graph will be what? This graph will be 8-hour unit hydrograph, because of this is given in the question. 8-hour unit hydrograph, this one, 8-hour and unit hydrograph is given. Now it is asked that draw the 24-hour unit hydrograph. So what I will do, see, this is 8-hour unit hydrograph. Again, if I will draw the same hydrograph after lagging 8-hour, so it will look like this, right? Again, 8-hour means this graph, third graph will start from 16. So this is because this is 8-hour hydrograph and 1 centimeter. This is 8-hour. This is 8-hour hydrograph, and because of 1 centimeter, and this one is also 8-hour, and because of 1 centimeter rainfall, means 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8. This is how much? This is 24-hour. When I will add the ordinates of all these, I will get the 24-hour hydrograph, but because the rainfall depth is what? 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So whatever, if I will add this, this will be because of 3 centimeter rainfall. But I want 1 centimeter rainfall depth and 24-hour hydrograph, right? So what I will do, simply whatever the ordinates I will get, I will divide it by 3 centimeter. This 3 will be cancelled, and I will get the 1 centimeter, means I will just divide it by 3. So 3 will be cancelled, and I will get ordinates for 1 centimeter rainfall depth, and 24-hour unit hydrograph will be obtained. Is it okay? My point is clear to you? See here. So here you can see this. You can see this. See, first, this ordinate as it is drawn, just as it is written here. Then the same ordinate is written from 8, because again this is 8-hour ordinate, and again this one will be 8-hour ordinate, and again it is lagged by 16, means it is starting from 16, means the same ordinate, this ordinate, the same ordinate, this one is written here at these column. So this is of 8-hour, this is also of 8-hour, this is also of 8-hour. When we will add these 2 column plus 3 column plus 4 column, we will get the 24-hour, but it will be not unit hydrograph, because this is because of 1 centimeter, this is because of 1 centimeter, and this one is also because of 1 centimeter. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 centimeter rainfall. So this graph is because of 3 centimeter. This ordinate is because of 3 centimeter rainfall. When I will divide it by 3, so I will get the ordinate of 24-hour and unit depth, right? So here you will see this 0 divided by 0 divided by 3 is 0, then 5.5 divided by, then 5.5 divided by 3, you will get this 13.5 divided by 3, then 32 divided by 3, then 58 point. Likewise, everything is divided. Now you will get this ordinate. When you will draw this ordinate on x-axis, time on y-axis, you will draw these ordinates, right? These ordinates will be on the y-axis here, and you will get the graph. And this graph will be what? This graph will be of 24-hour and unit hydrograph because of 1 centimeter rainfall. Is it okay? I hope this question is clear. All assignment questions are clear to you. Yes or no? Now see, similarly, the same thing is here. Same thing is here. The question is given, this question. The same thing is here. So you will get and you will draw the graph. Likewise, see here. The ordinate of 4-hour unit hydrograph are given. Ordinates of S curve and ordinate of 2-hour unit hydrograph we have to obtain. So here the method is mentioned here. First, we will write all the ordinates, right? We will write all the ordinates likewise here. So this ordinate is what? 4-hour unit hydrograph. And S curve means what? We just add all this and it will be starting from 4-hour, right? Here it is 4-hour, then after 8-hour, this one is here, then after 12-hour, we will write. See, the same ordinate is here, right? This ordinate we are writing after 4-hour, means lag by 4-hour. Same ordinate 0, 0, 8, 20, 21, 3, likewise. We will write the same ordinate lag by 4-hour, right? When we will add this column 2 plus column 3, we will get the S curve ordinate. S curve means what? See, we have already seen this S curve. Suppose one graph is this, second graph is this, third graph, fourth, likewise. See, this much portion is here, this much portion, this one. When we will add this much portion, so finally you will see that this graph goes like this. And this graph is called as S curve graph, right? So same thing is here. Column 2 plus column 3, we will get the column 2 plus column 3 means this column and this column. When we will add, we will get the S curve ordinate. Now, then S curve is lagged by 2-hour. Lagged by 2-hour means whatever the ordinate we will get. Suppose this is 0 and here nothing. It is here, it is nothing. 0 plus dash is what? 0. 8 plus dash is what? 8. Then 20 plus 0 is what? 20. Then 43 plus 8 is what? 51. Likewise, we will do this. 80 plus 20 is what? 100. Right? And see, S curve lagged by 2 hours. See, this is our S curve, and lagged by 2 hours means the same ordinate which we will get here. This will start from here. Say 0, then 8, then 20, then 51, then 100, and likewise it will start. Then finally, what we will do? We have to find the what we have to find the ordinates of 2-hour unit hydrograph. But before that, see, this is what direct runoff hydrograph of 2 divided by 4 means what? 0.5. So direct runoff hydrograph ordinate, direct runoff ordinate hydrograph of 0.5 centimeter of precipitation. So when S curve minus this S curve lagged by 2. See here. When we will take the difference of when we will take the difference of this column 4 and column 5, means this column 4 minus column 5, we will get the direct runoff ordinate of 0.5 centimeter rainfall. But we want the 2-hour unit hydrograph. This is of what? This is 0.5 centimeter rainfall. But we want the 1 centimeter. We want the unit hydrograph for 1 centimeter rainfall. So here what they have done, they are multiplying the this column 6 means this one, 2 divided by 4 means here they are multiplying whatever the ordinate is, they are multiplying by 2 by 4, so that we are getting the 2-hour unit hydrograph. So why we are multiplying is here. Why we are multiplying by 2 by 4? See, this ordinate is given by 4 hour, right? So see, this whatever the ordinate we will get here, see whatever the ordinate we will get here, that will be of 4 hour, right? And if it will be divided by 2 by 4 means what? This 4 will be cancelled, and this ordinate is 0.5 centimeter for 0.5 centimeter rainfall. When 0.5 will be multiplied by 2, we will get 1 centimeter depth. So unit hydrograph will be what? 2 hour and 1 centimeter rainfall depth. So just you check it. If it will not be clear, again I will tell you. And I will give some more exercises so that you should understand how these hydrographs are drawn. This is very, very important. So here I stop. Okay.